Welcome back to kunuhhs. This time we're reaching a lot more bigger, so welcome back. Let's continue. Okay, let's start. 3. So, like I said, I'm running out of time. Well, we have lots of more time. So let me explain the formula of 3 arrows. X. Emojis. X to the triple power of Y. Oh my. No. I'm messing up. To the power of Y. It's equal to an X to the power of X to the power of X. X. Let me select all of that. Copy. X to the power of X to the power of X. I'm gonna put the betweener. I'm gonna put the betweener. It is X to the power of 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 X. And X to the it is X to the power of 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 X. Is X to the power of 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 X. And X to the power of an X up to the power of X. And X a Y amount of times. Hold on for a little. Is all that a Y amount of times. Like you put, here's an example. If you put 2 with 3 arrows on a 4 and to a 4, what will you predict? It's this. Peace. It's this. Let me make space so. And it's 2 to the double 2 to the double 2 to the double 2. You know, like we said in the earlier episode back a month ago, double arrows X to the double arrow to the Y. Remember this. X to the double arrow to the Y. It's X to the power of X to the power of X to the power of X a Y amount of times. Well, it's 2 to the power of 2, only 1 time. So, to the power of 2, it's 4. And like we said earlier, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the double power of 4, and it's 65,536. It's 65,356, I think. Let me just go into my calculator. To the power of 16. See the oh, it's mixed up. So it's this. So this will be a very massive number because 2 to the double power of to the double arrow of 65,536 It is 2 to the power of 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 2. Let me demonstrate to you. It's 2. It is this much, 65,536 times. So 2 to the triple power of 4, it's a very massive number. Nice. I can't explain anymore, but we can still keep going. Here's a new method. So example 3, I'm going to put an arrow. And this is the secret weapon. It's the same thing, 3 to the triple power 3. This small number is how much arrows. It's how much arrows it has. Oh my god, how much? It's endless. So, it's 3 to the triple power 3. You can even put 100 arrows. You can put even 100 arrows, which just makes a very massive number. Yeah, it's a very massive number. Yes. But with my calculations, 4 arrows is equal to G1. What the heck is this? What the heck is this symbol? What is this? I didn't even mean to press it. It's equal to G1. If you put this at G1, this will become G2. If it's if it's 2, it becomes G3. So on into G64. Which is a 3 with a G63 arrows with a 3 is equal to G64. This will be a super big number. Let me demonstrate to you with 9s. 9. This is how big this would be. No, I mean copy. This is how big it would be. This is how big it would be. A very big number. Let's delete all of the 9s. So this is how big Graham's number is. So that's Graham's number. G64 is Graham's number. The biggest ever number in mathematics. Yes. Well, we can go further than that with a very weird function that I already know now. It's function. Yep, F means function. F means function. So F means function, yes. So, let me demonstrate to you. Let me demonstrate the function of it. Then we will go back. Let me end the recording and just go into my original thingy. Let me demonstrate to you this. See in my computer, these Fs with these numbers in my keyboard. These are functions. F. We have function 1, 2, 3, so on to function 12. Then we have unusual keys like print screen and stuff. So that's what F means, function. Back to notes. So we're back to notes. So we're gonna just explain for a little bit of this. Function. Wait, this is like repetition. I want to blow. For now, let's just put a 0 number in it. So, F0, it's one of the most simplest things ever created. By putting like these brackets and putting a 1, that would just be 2. Very small number, but how does this get bigger? If you put 2 in it, we'll get 3. The formula F0 x with x fx, it is 1 plus x. So this is a super small number. Let's put the level 2 1. It's multiplying now. It's multiplying. It's equal to xx or 2x. So let's see if it's 2x. That's the function. So 2, it's 2, 2. It's 2 times 2. If it's 2 sevens, just 2 7. Great. But things get a little more bigger if you put F2. And it's x to the power of x. F2x. F2x. It is x to the power 2x. X to the power of x. Where's that sign? So x to the power of x is x to the power of x times x. So x to the power of, so example, if it's just 3. So that means 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So what's 27 times 3? We will get 81, I think. 81? I don't know, but let's end here because we're done. So bye. So thank you for watching, and if you want to see more videos, subscribe and bye.